Going on YouTube? I'm finally back with a very long overdue update on the pond. It's been, I don't know, maybe a year or two since I've done a video. Everything's been doing well. Let's see, the fish are getting really big here. I did lose my big platinum ogon, unfortunately, earlier this year. I think it was actually, last year. Just a mysterious death. Woke up one day and he was just dead, floating, no symptoms. Who knows what happened to him? I'll put a picture here in the video, but he was essentially the biggest fish I had at the moment. At the time, he was 29 inches, and so I don't know. It's kind of a bummer to lose such a big fish like that with no sign. He's completely fine eating one day and then just dead the next. But so far, all the other fish have been doing fine. No spawning activity this year. They've just been pretty much had the pond on autopilot. Let's see. I did have one new guy, a little almost Sako Shiratsuri, way down in the bottom over there. He's probably about 8-10 inches right now. The guys, the smaller ones that I bought last year, are getting pretty big. So there's that little show there, this one down here, and then there's a third one right over there. Those guys are probably about 20 inches now. The other biggest fish I have at the moment is probably going to be this big Showa and the Chagoi. They're probably about 28, 29 inches. And yeah, I mean, not many other changes to the pond. Everything still looks the same. That big Karashigoi is getting huge. Big football shaped guy. Haven't gotten rid of any other fish. Still the same population aside from that big platinum ogon that died. So aside from that, no other health issues. Everything's been doing great. There's a little, it's Shiro Atsuri. He's going to be really cool looking, I think. Maybe if I have time later in the season, before it starts getting cold, I'll pull some guys out and get some measurements. It's been a while since I've measured any of the fish here. Well, yeah, that's it. Not much to report. Again, everything's doing really nice. These guys are still very fat, very thick bodies. That guy's doing really nice. That little Kage Shiratsuri. Really cool pattern on him.